Today we are looking at a completely rebuilt and modernized Clipper AT Ferrell Eddy Giant Huller. This unit has brand new stones. Here at Commodity Traders International, we are continually trying to up our game. This unit has been completely modernized with a brand new 3-phase 480 volt VFD control, variable frequency drive. What that allows you to do is infinitely tailor the speed of the motor to get the best hulling action for your product. As I said, we are always trying to up our game here at Commodity Traders International. We are now manufacturing the stones for these units. You can get those exclusively through us. And we are getting ready to tool up and remanufacture this unit brand new. This is a restored unit, but these units are going to be readily available through us here at Commodity Traders International, the world leader in all things seed, feed, grain, recycling, and research equipment-wise. As I said, this unit has been completely restored. The ball door blower motor has been to the motor shop, completely checked out, and is in good operating condition. This unit has a 5 horsepower ball door motor. I believe this was new for this unit. If it was used, it was taken to the motor shop and completely gone through. This unit has the variable feed hopper here. We have the swirl ring here. This unit uses large balance pocketed discs that sling the product you are hulling or dehulling against a heavy-duty stone, a huller stone. So this is a true stone huller. Very, very nice unit from us here at Commodity Traders International. We're going to fire up the 480 and show you this unit in operation. We have the 480 fired up. As I said, this VFD allows you to infinitely tailor the speed. We're going to hit the run button here. Here the unit fires right up. Now that LCD display may be flickering, that's just the frame rate of the camera. This unit can be set with the potentiometer knob, or you can use the up and down directional buttons, the toggles here. As I said, this allows you to infinitely tailor the speed of your Eddy Giant Huller to get the perfect dehulling process. You can hear the fan is speeding up. Here the unit hums right to life, starts strong, runs strong. As I said, these units are exclusively available through us here at Commodity Traders International. Very, very nice system. Go ahead and shut the unit down just by hitting the red stop button. This machine has been completely restored and modernized by us here at CTI. This unit and many others like it are readily available through us here at Commodity Traders International, and we are getting ready to remanufacture these units. We are your only source for the stones for the unit, and we have several other spare parts to keep your old units going. I'd like to thank you for watching. A link to our website will be in the video description down below. For all things seed, feed, grain, recycling, and research related, please reach out to us.